Alright, hello guys, it's me, Amir. Today I'll be playing some Bedwarz, or what's this called? Skywars.
Bedwarz.
Yeah, same thing. So this is our first collaborator. His name is, well, he doesn't have a name yet, but when he does, I'll put it in the description. So you can go, like, sub to him.
Yep.
So, yeah.
I just killed one guy. One guy is like, I don't know. That's how you rush it.
Yeah, you're right. I already placed a block. Okay, just build over it. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna be playing some Bedwarz after this, but we just wanted to do the Skywars game because it's only like, this is only like a once in a lifetime thing.
There's a guy down there. I'm gonna shoot him.
Yeah.
Actually,
Jay, did you just slip off? Oh, okay. It's like, Jay, did you really just fall off like that?
no, I'm not.
We got a Voltorb here, so I think we'll be fine.
That's true. Oh gosh, I have to give you my armor.
Except for Voltorb can hit us. Oh baby, I'm getting killed. Help! Help! And I died.
I'm
Yeah.
coming. Oh my god.
You were too
Oh my god,
late.
there's so many people.
Let's find Jay. Jay.
I'm wanting this kid.
Oh wait, that's not Jay. Let's go find someone else. Is that you?
Regen on.
9?
He's blowing up. He blew up the bit.
Is that Jay? Yeah, here's Jay.
Let me kid. He was typing.
Yeah.
Oh man. One after another. Oh, this kid's almost dead. This kid's almost dead. This kid is almost dead. Oh, there we go.
Wow, you popped him.
Yeah. I know, right? I swear, if I like get clean right now, I'm gonna cry. Let's see. Which always happens. Oh, nope, someone's coming. I see that. I need that anvil.
This time Jay, you better run. Jay's gonna run. I think that guy's trying to snipe you, so watch your snack.
I'm gonna drink the speed. And watch this. Oh, one sec, my hands are sweaty. Watch the pros do it. Oh my gosh. Amir, did you see that?
Yeah, I caught it on the video.
I did. That's like the perfect trap. I literally did not know that wasn't there. I don't know how I got. Oh.
Yeah, even Technoblade would have fallen. Or he probably,
Oh my God. My heart actually jumped.
he probably would have just made a weird sound actually, as he
Look at these
fell.
crossbows.
He'd say, no.
Blue fire arrow dreams. I'm getting double teamed. Why people are on the same team? They're both shooting me, pegging me with arrows. I don't like it. Oh, where's he? He's right there. Can I hit him? Are you kidding me?
Oh baby. Oh.
Let's play. Let's play, boy. Is that a Huahwi skin?
Huahwi.
Oh wow. Oh, dude, I fell. Fall down here. No. I hope he does team. That's the fight. I will go fight.
Oh dang it! I just fell down there.
Oh my god. I almost died.
The problems of being a spectator.
Oh, Huahwi, I don't have speed. Now you're gonna wreck me because you're just being a jag. Where'd he go? Oh. He's like blocking. He's trying to. You're not the real Huahwi. Bring back the real one.
Why is he running? He's in full diamond. He shouldn't be running from you.
I know.
Dude, he just... Okay, I don't even know, honestly.
He's just bad. The real Huahwi would just kill me.
Yeah, Huahwi's
Oh,
like
just got dropped.
over P-word. Shout out to
Yeah, I
Huahwi.
just got dropped by verse one of them. Like, it was a good game, good fight, not really.
Well, yeah, shout out to Huahwi because you know he needs those subs.
Yep. Huahwi, this video is for you.
Yeah. That'll be the title. Skywars with Jay. Dedicated to Huahwi. Yeah.
That'll be the best clickbait ever.
Dedicated to Huahwi. Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Like
Huahwi.
at the end of the title, this video was dedicated to Huahwi. We love you, Huahwi. Nice face reveal.
Yeah. Face revival.
Oh
Oh.
my god, did you see that mirror? I almost walked up again, but I just lagged back.
When Lagback saved you. You're like, what's her name from Wreck-It Ralph? Remember her?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Yeah, tell us in the comments who we're talking about, guys, because we don't even know.
Okay, watch this Ender Pro, please make it. You are going to be dead because of my fire aspect. What are you trying to do, buddy? What are you doing? Okay, now we're going into melee.
Melee.
I'm not even trying because this guy is like a noob.
Well, GG. Oh, we need the karma. Please no. Please no. Yeah, daddy. Okay. Now let's go to that Bedwarz game. Yeah, you know they want to see that Bedwarz. You know what, guys? Just because I love you guys so much, I'll do the fidget spinner challenge. Everyone loves a good fidget spinner. Everyone loves a good fidget spinner. No, it's just for the YouTube algorithm. I don't even like fidget spinners. I do it for the views, guys. I do it all for the views.
I'll do anything for the subs.
Yeah, I do it for the subs. I do it for the money. I do it for the subs and the money.
I'll do the ice. And I hate water and cold water.
So do I. Well, guys, here's the thumbnail. Fidget spinners. The pain. Alright, now let's get started.
The cringe.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my god.
Hypixel poops on me every day.
And then you just disappeared.
Hypixel...
Your head just snapped.
Hypixel poops on me every day. Okay, here we go. I get pooped on by Hypixel. How does it feel? It feels kind of bad. Hypixel's pooping on me. Okay, yeah. Hypixel. Let's restart that round.
Wait, a round?
Yeah.
Let me just kill Greensbed, just for danger.
Hypixel portered on me. Porter pottied. You know, guys, fudge that fidget spinner. It's unlucky. Let's do the strawberry 16 pack.
Too much lag.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, let's go green. Just to make them mad. Are you mad, bro? Are you mad?
Down
Are you
for
guys
the
mad?
ride. Down for the
You can't
ride.
keep them.
522 ping. 1000 ping.
What?
180 ping.
580? Is that a lot? That's a lot, right?
Yeah, you're supposed to have like 2.
Wait, did you just say 580?
Yes.
Oh my god.
581. I usually have like 20 ping. 50 ping. Here we go. Good enough. Who cores?
I feel like drastically. Like, I just went to 39 to 7 to 47.
Oh, wait. I'm back in and I'm not lagging. Huh. Minecraft is weird. Now let's play.
I literally wish.
That's kind of lucky. Wait, I'll get the bed. I love this pack. And I love this pack by Latency. It's a Strawberry 16X pack.
Oh, they said Pensy. And Pensy.
I like to call him Latency. It's a thing we have because we're friends.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, you know, I'm just trying to get Latency to collab with me.
You're dead too, because you get stabbed. What? Oh, never mind.
I want to milk Latency for all of his subs. Don't you want to do that to all your friends? Don't you want to milk all your friends for their subs?
Yeah, that's true. I would if I could, but I can't. Oh yeah, Mir, remember that Huahwi inspired video?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I just noticed I'm wearing this cape right now.
Really?
Made for Huahwi.
Seal's dedicated to Huahwi.
Next we just get Huahwi skins.
Yeah.
Like I'm like a red Huahwi, you're like a blue one.
Huahwi. We do it for the Huas.
Oh no, we gotta get like realistic looking Minecraft skins of Huahwi's face.
Oh, that'd be disgusting.
That'd be hilarious.
That'd be disgusting in the cool way and the funny way. And the disgusting way. Cause look, just think of that. Like anything realistic looks awful in Minecraft.
Like we got his body, like his Minecraft skin body, but then we like took his things.
See, Huahwi, look what you've done.
Yep.
Ever since you made that face reveal, kids have been imagining you in weird ways.
Why Huahwi?
This was your fault. We blame you, Huahwi.
This guy has TNT. He just wasted it. TNT is so expensive, bro.
It's so expensive. Wait, did you build to the Diamond Gen?
What?
You didn't build anywhere.
Yeah, I'm at gray.
Oh, you killed green.
Yeah.
Oh wait, let's go kill gray. Cause if we kill gray, oh wait, let's go kill blue. Actually, let's finish off gray.
Oh wait. Oh, gray's bed's been destroyed?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's one more gray person.
Yeah, I'm at their base right now. That's dysfunctional.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about the Proud family. Oh, I almost fell.
I mean, you fell.
No, I didn't.
Okay, good. I was expecting to say that. We
Oh.
can watch out for that great person.
So dysfunctional. Can you feel it?
Oh my god, I almost just killed
I
myself.
can feel it.
I jumped off, but luckily there's like a little spot I can place a block on to land.
Dysfunctional.
Oh my god, Gray's sky basing up here. I'm not kidding.
Well, let's leave them.
What?
We have bigger fish to fry.
I'm frying Gray.
What about the giant blue fish?
Oh my god, I'm actually sky basing with Gray. Oh, the biggest hit him here. I hit him off of his sky base. Oh my god. Let's go, wait.
Like,
Hey, Bear.
oh yeah, let's. Taylor has such a weird voice.
It's unique. Taylor, we don't hate you. We just like
Yeah,
your voice.
we don't hate you. We just think your voice is really weird. I don't know. Maybe that sounded mean when the way it came out sounded really mean. I bet. I don't mean your voice is bad. I'm just saying it's kind of, you know, it's Tayberry.
It's like how Nicki Minaj's face looks weird.
Yeah.
It's like, what is that?
It's kind of off.
But, you know,
Yeah.
like,
We
what is that?
we still like Nicki Minaj. It's just that her voice sounds really special.
Yeah, special.
Special friends.
Here, I'm gonna oh wait, never mind.
Have you ever seen Kazoo Kid?
What?
You never saw Kazoo Kid?
What is that?
It's like this kid. He's like, "Can you kazoo?" And then he, yeah, that kid. Yeah.
Oh, messed up.
It was. The whole thing was a mess. They had adults doing kids' voices, and it was just too obvious. Could you kazoo?
Oh my god, Blue's such noobs. Such noobs. Oh my god. No, I don't have a pickaxe. Are you kidding me? Their bed would have been destroyed by now, I promise. One fell in the void. They're trying to chase me, but they're too slow.
You're too slow. I'm the Sornic.
You're dead. Stabbed. Get
Oh, wait, this guy's looking at me. He wants coins. He's thirsty for coins. Help.
You can't get coins on the Bedwarz, remember?
I know, but we're always thirsty for coins.
That's true.
See?
Is anybody here to kill us? Oh, okay, good.
I'm in Blue's base right now.
Kill him.
Oh, no one's here.
That's not Blue, that's Aqua, I mean.
Oh. Same color. Different name.
Different people.
Yeah. Same color, different people. Wait, is this really... Is this...
Sounds so terrible.
I know.
Same color, different people.
I know. Sounds like all of Europe.
Oh, you just got flagging.
Oh, man, I'm gonna get so much hate for that.
Amir, there's iron golem about to hit you.
Oh, help, help, help! Wait,
Amir, help, I have 2 emeralds. I got 2 emeralds.
what the heck? That was so random. You just like came over like Iron Golem. Help! What? You what?
Like, Amir, that was like the slowest thing I've ever seen. It was really just walking up to you, just building. Like, Amir, look, it was just walking like this. So slowly.
And I was just building?
You're just sticking there. It's like, Amir, there's an iron golem. I was trying to run there, but you know how tiny my legs are.
Yeah. Oh, wait, we're all the same height in Minecraft.
I can actually make myself slimmer. Oh my god, I have a bow.
Ow, ow. Jay, we're stuck here. We can never leave.
Oh no, they're gonna go to our island, kill ourselves, or rush. I'm rushing.
Kill yourself.
No. Kill yourself.
I'm killing myself.
I killed myself in time. Please.
Please don't break that bed. Don't you break that bed.
He did not.
Did you get him?
No. But they're not there yet. Oh, he just fireballed his teammate. Thank you. You're a god. Now I'm gonna kill you with a stone sword. I mean, wooden sword. Oh my god. I just killed him.
Here, I got him. It's fine. I killed him. Let's head back.
Good job, Amir. You did it. You're the real MVP.
I know. I need that rank.
Yeah. I went 360 in the void. I don't feel like regenning.
Yeah, me too. Wait, never mind. I'm completely regen.
Oh, the fire page just destroyed as you jumped.
That'd be so ironic.
Yeah, I was like, oh.
Yeah, that's the time. That's the like an appropriate time to say ah.
Yeah.
I wish I had that sound effect. Just like on my phone, so I can just like reach in my pocket and go ah.
Dash XP. Oh.
I'm gonna buy a bow. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna buy a bow. I'm gonna buy things that we actually need, like an axe and a pickaxe.
Don't. That'll be such a waste.
Oh, I didn't buy one.
Amir, why?
It's for breaking beds.
But what if you just die?
Then it'll be all a waste of time.
What if an iron golem tries to kill you again and succeeds?
Then I'll cry tears of happiness
Exactly.
that my sad life is finally over.
Help! I'm getting double teamed. Help.
Hey, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just give it a minute.
Oh my god, this guy had so many stuffs. Oh my god, I don't want to die.
Where are you? Let me come and help.
No, I'm gonna die.
Where are you? Stop making those sounds.
Come here, please.
Yeah.
Hold them. Don't worry about dying. I need to survive.
Oh, who matters? Who cares if you die? Hope I survive.
Oh, don't you have the pickaxe? Run, Amir, run.
Never mind. He just covered it with water. Help! 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 I lost 6 diamonds for that. 6. That's another good time to say ah. Hey, it's fine. I had lots of gold.
I can block up their waters.
Hey, smart idea.
Why do they keep buying the trap? I hate
Dude, we can't break their bed. It's not possible. Science says no.
But I am science.
You're science?
If you know what I'm saying.
Oh, I get it.
This Steve.
The Steve. Wait, let's. Jay, I have a great idea. Let's. Jay, let's fireball them. Let's get close range. Let's get in close range and just like fireball.
I'm already there killing them.
Did you get that? Did you get that reference? You killed her bed. What the?
And now it's time to kill you, Steve. Eat that Steve. I hate that Steve.
Wait, let me come help. I need this glory.
Wait. How come Steve said it didn't die? The Steve's dead, but didn't say in chat. I killed Steve. I tried to kill the Steve.
Dun 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 dun. Wait, is someone running away? Cause I got him.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that's not. That's you.
No, he ran to the other side. He ran away. I mean, we gotta chase him. Go, Dia. Oh.
What was that song?
Diego, he's right there. He's dead. 360 off the map.
Oh, GG.
Oh, baby.
Oh. 360 no scope into the void, and I'm not even coming out. I'm never coming out. Alright, guys. That was the end of our Skywars video. I mean, what's this called again? Bedwars. And and we'll see you guys next time. Gotta stop smoking.